crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing well. I am unboxing this amazing monthly kit from Archer and Olive, and if you didn't know, I am an affiliate for Archer and Olive, which means that if you click the link and shop at their store through my link, I do earn a small amount of commission. You do not pay any more for what you're purchasing, but I do earn a small commission off of your purchase. So I wanted to share this monthly box with you because it's total goodness. I did tear into it and then I changed my mind about going through it. So it didn't look so jumbled. It actually was very pretty with all of this gorgeous tissue paper. But let's open it up. You guys, so much goodness. Let's pull it out. I will link this exact monthly kit down below, as well as you can find the affiliate link. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, this is January's. So it has all of the new year type of ideas. Look at how cute. This is a Dutch door. If you're not familiar with a Dutch door, you basically cut along the dotted line. You put this with washi tape or whatever. You could actually like fold it and make like a flip, and you can put it in your journals and use it wherever you want. So each month's kit will come with a Dutch door. I mean, the packaging for the Dutch door alone is adorable. And then you will get these little cards that match the kit perfectly, little pieces of paper. Look how pretty. I love the colors in this one. You get a stencil, always a stencil. The stencils are fabulous for tearing washi, which you also get in this kit. So you get the stencil. This one has these giant paper clips, which are so cute. Gold paper clips. We have page flags, which are fantastic for all sorts of uses. And then you get these stickers. They're like vinyl stickers that match the kit. Now, if you remember, in 2022, Archer and Olive also made monthly kits, but they were a little bit different. You did get the vinyl stickers, but it had a more systematic approach every month. So this year they changed things up a little bit, and you're getting sticker sheets, vinyl stickers, stencil, and there's just one monthly kit. So there were two in 2022, and there was like a floral and then like a theme. This one is combining both of those ideas. So you get the days of the week, the numbers, and then all of these icons, which are so cute. And then the other sticker package are all of these icons. So cute. So there are two of the same. So these are the same, 2 sheets of the same. And these are 2 sheets of the same. So cute. I love these. Such good quality. And the images are just adorable. And then you get 4 rolls of washi tape. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to show you what these washi tape look like. So here we go. We have this kind of mustardy, bear with me, this mustardy floral, which is adorable. Then we have, look at this, so cute, you guys. This one has all of these adorable icons. The other thing that I really enjoy is that you can use this stencil, metal stencil, to rip your washi tape and you get a straighter edge. How fun is that? Then there's this floral, which is like their signature Archer and Olive floral with the vines. It has kind of like a powder blue background or gray background. And then this last one with the icons looks like this with the navy blue background. So that is the monthly kit for the month of January. I do plan to use this for my scripture writing, and I will show you a flip through when January scripture writing is done. I'm gonna do January and February together probably. So this is the January box. I think it's actually on sale, so I'm gonna provide the link to you below. Go check it out. You're gonna want it because, you know, why not? All of this goodness. So thanks for being here. If you have any questions about the products or anything at all, please leave it in the comments below. Your comments, your thumbs up, your likes, your subscribes are always appreciated. And until next time, I hope that you find time to be creative. Bye, y'all. All right, crafty friends. So, as I'm prone to do, I changed my mind. I thought I would share what I did with that Archer and Olive monthly box for January in my monthly scripture writing. So I'm going to show you what I did here, because now you can see how to use the product that I just shared with you. So this is my scripture writing section, and here is what I did for January. So what I did here, I'm going to take these out because I want you to see what I did here, and then you can see the whole spread together. I love this. I love that this is me spending time really trying to be consistent and all the things, but also adding some creativity to it. So let me show you what I did for these inserts, and then we'll walk through like some of the extra things that I used on here. So this is the printable that I used for the scripture writing, and I'm gonna let you know. I can't remember. Print, pray, slay, maybe? I have to look, but I printed that out. This comes with the printable as well, and I kept that in here. This is the washi tape that came in that monthly. This is the little Dutch door, so I decorated it. I used these stickers on the back because why not? And then this is also the January print, play. Oh my goodness. Print, pray, slay. I just added some washi tape and rounded the corners, and that will stick in there as well. And then I made a little, I don't know, sampler, I guess. And then at the end of the year, I can just have all these samplers separate in a little ring binder or something to show what was in each monthly. So this is the washi tape from Archer and Olive January box, and this these are the stencils. So there are two stencils. No, there was one stencil, and this is what was on it. So I'm going to keep this in here for now, but then it will come out at the end of the year. So put those aside, and let's look at this guy. Oh my gosh, so good, you guys. I had so much fun with this. So these are all the stickers that come in the monthly box. As you can see, I use like the whole sheet. I use this whole sheet. I just threw it away. And then I have an extra, which I will keep in my, I'll put it in my supplies. And then these are all stickers from Allie Edwards Designs. I'm not stickers, stamps. So this is the March story stamp. This is the open story stamp. And then these are from Carrie Bradford. I love this font. It's one of my favoritist stamps. And I have it, this is just the regular size, but I also have it in extra large. So this is large, and then I have it in extra large. So yeah. That is close to my heart, as is this close to my heart monthly. But I had so much fun creating this, you guys. So much fun. But yeah, that is how I use my monthly box from Archer and Olive in my scripture writing for 2023. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be back soon with February's unboxing and February scripture writing. I'm super behind, but that's okay. There is no behind as long as you are being creative and enjoying the process. All right, you guys, until next time, I hope that you find time to be creative, and I will be back soon. Bye, y'all.